Here at the EWC, we take pride in being a fully bilingual organisation. We've created an environment where Welsh is part of our fabric. All employees, regardless of their level of Welsh, are encouraged to use the language throughout their working day.
Gweithio ar a cwpl o prosiectau diddorol yn gwaith, so ma' hwnna.
We actively encourage staff who do not speak Welsh, or those who want to brush up on their Welsh language skills, to undertake fully funded learning. Those who do learn are able to practice what they've learnt with our more experienced Welsh-speaking staff, who are always more than willing to provide some linguistic support.
Okay, so you already know what good morning is?
Bore da.
Perfect, yeah, so you could definitely...
Our dedicated all-staff quarterly newsletter, Gymraeg ar Waith, promotes not just the use of Welsh in the workplace, but also Welsh traditions and events. By fostering a bilingual workplace, we create an environment where all employees can thrive and feel included. For more information on the vacancies currently available with us, visit the website.